The quality out of the VCD lab has been absolutely fantastic. I worked with a lot of other labs before, working with VCD Labs in Rochester. I've had fantastic quality. I haven't had any anti-reflective coating failures. Turnaround times has been absolutely phenomenal. 3-day turnaround. VCD Labs has actually really helped us take care of our patients as far as our price points. This allows us to give them a really great anti-reflective coating with a much lower price point where they may not have chosen that option before because of their budget. As far as the quality of the lenses, I mean, anything from their conventional lenses to the digital products that they use, worked with them for years. They're fantastic. As far as recommending VCD Labs, I would absolutely recommend it. The customer service, the quality, the craftsmanship that comes out of it. I mean, I virtually have no mistakes coming out of that lab. I get what I order. The quality is fantastic. The turnaround is fantastic. Customer service is just out of this world. They go out of their way. I mean, it's not just customer service, it's going above and beyond. So that I appreciate, and I believe you would too.